Are you tired of dealing with underinflated tires or long waits at the gas station for air? What if there was a quick and easy way to keep your tires in perfect shape anytime, anywhere? Let's take a closer look at the FORTEM 150 PSI portable air compressor and see how it could be your ultimate road trip companion. About the product. Take your FORTEM air compressor for a car with you and be ready for any emergency. Perfect for car, truck, SUV, and motorcycle tires. Super bright automatic LED flashlight makes our car air pump suitable for roadside emergency and nighttime use. Start car ignition. Connect car plug to the DC 12-volt power outlet. Set the PSI desired and wait for the display to stop blinking. Package includes parts description. Using method. Ensure you have the FORTEM 150 tire inflator, power cord, and required nozzles. Securely connect the pump to your car's 12-volt outlet to ensure a strong connection. Before starting your car, engine should be in the running position. Unscrew the cap on your tire's valve stem. Securely attach the air hose nozzle to the valve stem. Screw it clockwise to ensure a tight fit and avoid air leakage. Turn on the inflator and press the R button to set your desired pressure unit. For tires, it is PSI. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the pressure as needed. Press the power button to begin inflation. Watch the display or listen for changes in the motor sound as the tire reaches the set pressure. The compressor will automatically shut off when it reaches the preset pressure. Unscrew the nozzle and replace the valve stem cap. Enjoy your journey with confidence and ease. You can also use it at night thanks to its LED screen light. If you are interested in picking up the FORTEM 150 tire inflator, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Features: fast inflation, versatility, easy-to-read display, 14 feet reach, LED flashlight, compact and portable. Specifications: warnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.